This is a quick concept video on one of the core ecological units, the ecosystem. Hi folks, I'm Taran. I'm a PhD candidate in ecology, and I'm here to help you make connections between environmental science and environmental issues that you actually care about. An ecosystem is a group of organisms together with their abiotic environment, together in space and time. Now, it's a strange technical sounding definition, but let's break it up and see what's really going on in there. First thing, it's a group of organisms. So this is more than one individual, and it's of different species. So unlike a population, more like a community, it's a system where there is more than one species involved. It's also together in space and time. This is the same constraint as with a population and a community. They have to be close enough together physically in the environment that there's some chance of interacting, even if it doesn't actually happen, some chance of interacting, and close enough together in time that there's some possibility of interaction. Now, what distinguishes an ecosystem from a community is that it's together with its abiotic environment. Abiotic just means not living. But this is a radical change from how we're thinking in population and community ecology. Whereas a community ecologist might be interested in how the numbers of different organisms change over time, an ecosystem ecologist may instead be concerned with how pools of elements or chemicals move around the environment. Not just the pools inside of animals or plants, but the pools in the water, the pools in the soil, the pools in the air, even those pools of elements and chemicals that get stored deep in the earth in minerals. The reason it's important for us as people who are interested in environmental issues and environmental justice to get familiar with thinking about the environment from an ecosystem perspective is a lot of what we think about as ecological services happen at an ecosystem level. We breathe air, we drink water, we eat plants and animals from the environment. The chemicals in that air, in that water, in those plants and animals all enter us when we consume them. So even entirely from a human justice perspective, it's really important that we think clearly about ecosystems so that we can slow, prevent, and reverse the accumulation and movement of dangerous chemicals in the environment through the living and the non-living world. That is your very short introduction to ecosystems in ecology. If you have any questions or think that I missed something important, leave that down in the comments. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.